This week we're going to be looking at tables. The best way to describe what a table is just a method of arranging our information into columns and rows. It may look very similar to Excel, depending on how we configure everything. So let's take a look at it. So how do we format a table? Well, the most simplistic form of a table is going to start with the table tag, and then inside there we do a TR tag, which stands for table row, and then below that we have what is called the table data. So table row, TR, table data is TD. Okay, and then here's an example of what you'll get. Okay, it will not have the outline around here. I just put that in there so you guys can actually see, so it doesn't just look like text next to each other. But this is essentially what a structured table is going to look like. Okay, and it's very simple to do. Okay, beyond that, we can add headings to our table, so we don't just have data in line and it's like, oh, what does that mean? Do we have to put some text in there? What do we do? Okay, we can add a heading, and to do this, we do in the table row, we do what's called a TH, and that is table heading. So under table row, we do a TH. And then we can just call it header 1, header 2, however we want to do it. Okay? So if we take that and we use it what we did previously, we add that TR and then a TH for each of the headings, we will get a table with headings. And then we also have the ability to add borders if we want to, like I had in the very first one, just the outline around it. All you need to do is in the table tag add border equals and then how many pixels you want. Okay, and then here is an example of that. So we have our table heading, we have our table data, and then we have this nice little outline around everything. Okay, and that's how you get that done. Next, we have grouping. This is the next important tag when we're talking about tables. Grouping is a way for us to, essentially, it's just grouping columns together so we can easily apply CSS to it. Okay? So to do that, all we need to add is what's called a COL group and then a COL class. And then the class is just the name of the column. And then under the table heading, we will need to give it a scope equals column, or COL, and then the name of what the column is. And then the final tag that we're really going to care about here is going to be caption. Caption is going to allow us to easily add, it's some text that goes above or below our table. And to do that, all we add is the caption tag underneath the table tag. So we'll go table, and then caption, and then we need to choose whether we want to align it to the top or the bottom, and then we type in our caption, and then we should be a closed caption right there. That was my bad. So right here, that should be a closed caption. And that's pretty much all there is to creating a table. It's very simple, very straightforward. If you guys have any questions, just let me know.